Alright fam, today we're making Dominican Quipes, Kelvin style. These beauties are a Dominican spin on a Middle Eastern classic, and we're doing them right. Golden, crunchy, juicy, and shaped by hand. And yes, they actually hold together, no binder necessary. You just have to treat them right. We start with the base, fine Bulgur wheat. You're gonna soak it overnight. Don't rush this step. That soak gives you the perfect texture. In the morning, drain out the water if there is any and pulse it in a food processor just until it's cohesive. Think sticky, not mushy. Then season that with a hit of adobo and sazon. That's right, we're seasoning the mixture, not just the meat. Why? Because every bite needs to slap. Now for the meat. Oh, this filling. We're cooking down ground beef with chopped onion, garlic, red and green bell peppers, and our Dominican Holy Trinity. More adobo, more sazon, and a little black pepper. Throw in some tomato paste if you're feeling fancy and cilantro for that fresh hit. Let that cool. You don't want to melt your mixture, baby. Once everything's ready, here's the fun part. Shaping. Roll the bulgur into little balls, press your fingers into the center like you're opening a mini cave, stuff it with that beefy goodness, then close it up and roll it into that classic quipes form. Football vibes, Dominican snack energy. Here's the Kelvin trick. Freeze them for 30 minutes. This helps them firm up and hold shape when they hit the oil. No cracks, no leaks, just that golden perfection. Fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they're deeply golden and calling your name. Listen, when they start talking back with that sizzle, that's the sound of greatness. Now, here's your mini soul snack for the day. Pressure reveals what preparation built. Show up ready and even the heat won't break you. Just like these quipes. Plate them up with hot sauce or that creamy Dominican mayo ketchup magic and boom, you've got this snack that makes aunties jealous and guests silent. If this recipe gave you life, hit that like button, drop a comment below telling me how your family does quipes. And don't forget to subscribe for more Latin flavor with heart and hustle. For the full written recipe, visit kelvinskitchen.com. Stay crispy, stay soulful, and as always, cook with purpose, season with sass.